Students, let's read and understand lesson number 2, Maza Anubhav from Sulabh Bharti Class 6 textbook. Maza, mine, Anubhav, experience, my experience. So let's read and understand what is the story all about. Story is about brother and sister. Varshik Pariksha Sampli. The final exams or Varshik is annual exam or final exam got over. Sampli means got over. Me आणि रीमा घरी आलो. Me is the writer and Reema is his sister. Me, myself and Reema came home. घरी आलो, came home. घरी पोहोचताच आईने सांगितले. Moment we reached home, पोहोचताच means the moment we reached home. Where? Home. आईने सांगितले. Mother told. उद्या आपल्याला आगगाडीने मामाच्या गावाला जायचं आहे. Tomorrow. Udya is tomorrow. We all, आपल्याला means we all have to go by train to our mama's home. You know who is mama? Mother's brother. So we have to go to mama's village. गावाला is village. जायचं आहे. We have to go to mama's house. रीमाने आनंदाने उड्या मारल्या. रीमा, his sister, got very excited. So in happiness, Anandane in happiness, in excitement, she started jumping. Udya marल्या means started jumping. पायातले पैंजण छुम छुम वाजवत ती घरभर फिरली. She was so excited that she was roaming around in excitement. She was roaming around घरभर in the house, and her payal, what we wear on our feet, the payal went making noise. Chum 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 chum. Payal went on making noise. मामाच्या गावाला जाण्यासाठी आम्ही सकाळी निघालो. To go to Mama's village. जाण्यासाठी to go. आम्ही we सकाळी morning निघालो. Started. So we started in morning to reach Mama's village. गावाला is village. आगगाडीत बसलो. आगगाडीत is train. आगगाडी छुक छुक करत चालली होती. So आगगाडी was moving, making sound of छुक छुक. खिडकीत बसलेल्या रीमाचे केस भुरभुर उडत होते. Now Reema was sitting next to the window. So because of the wind, her hair were flying, were moving. And how they were moving? भुरभुर. खिडकीतून येणाऱ्या उन्हामुळे तिचे डोळ लुकलुकत होते. Because of the sunlight. Un means sunlight. Because of the sunlight, tiche, her डोळे, eyes, looked, shining. They were looking, shining. As it is, she was very happy. So, when she was looking out from the window, the sunlight made her eyes look very shining, bright. तिचा चेहरा प्रसन्न दिसत होता. Her चेहरा is face. प्रसन्न is happy. दिसत होता. Her face looked very happy. She was, as it is, very excited. So she was very happy. आई वाचत असलेल्या पुस्तकाची पाने हवेने फडफडत होती. Mother. I is mother. वाचत असलेल्या. Mother was reading a book. You can see in the picture. Mother is reading a book. So the book which mother was reading, its pages, पाने is pages, were flapping or fluttering because of the wind. हवेने फडफडत होते. ती वाचनात तल्लीन झाली होती. ती is for mother. वाचनात is reading. तल्लीन is she was engrossed. तल्लीन is engrossed झाली होती. She was engrossed in reading. मी खिडकीतून बाहेर पाहू लागलो. I started looking outside the window. पाहू लागलो means started looking outside. बाहेर is outside. पाहू is to see. So मी खिडकीतून बाहेर पाहू लागलो. थंडगार वाऱ्याचा झुलका अंगावर झेलू लागलो. थंडगार, so very cool breeze was coming on to him. He started experiencing a very cool breeze of air on him. In the train there were other people around. So what does the writer say? तेवढ्यात माझे लक्ष माझ्या शेजारी बसलेल्या मावशीकडे गेले. Meanwhile, my attention, माझे लक्ष, my attention went towards whom? माझ्या शेजारी, my neighbor, बसलेल्या sitting मावशीकडे. Now there must be a lady whom he is calling Maushi. Maushi can be used for auntie. So meanwhile my attention went towards a lady who was sitting next to me. त्यांच्या मांडीवर बसलेले छोटेसे बाळ माझ्याकडे पाहून खुदकन हसले. त्यांच्या हर मांडीवर ऑन हर लॅप बसलेले. सिटिंग वॉज अ स्मॉल बेबी. छोटेसे बाळ इज स्मॉल बेबी. माझ्याकडे पाहून लुकिंग ॲट मी खुदकन हसले. गिगल्ड. ऑन हर लॅप वॉज सिटिंग अ स्मॉल बेबी हू गिगल्ड लुकिंग ॲट मी. माझ्याकडे पाहून लुकिंग ॲट मी. मी बाळाला मांडीवर घेतले. मांडी इज लॅप. मी इज द रायटर. बाळा इज द बेबी. आय टूक द बेबी ऑन माय लॅप. घेतले इज टूक. ते खिडकीतून पडणारी झाडे टुक टुक पाहू लागले. ते इज फॉर द बेबी. ही स्टार्टेड लुकिंग ॲट द पडणारी झाडे. नाव फ्रॉम द ट्रेन इट लुक्स ॲज इफ द trees are moving, the trees are running. So this little baby started, tuk is very keenly started looking at the trees which looked as if they are running. Pahata pahata te gaard झोपले. Looking at those trees, pahata pahata he went into deep sleep. गाढ झोपले is deep sleep. स्टेशनवर बैलगाडी घेऊन मामा आला होता. So on the station who came? Mama had come. And what had he got? He had got the bullock cart. Belgadi is bullock cart. So Mama had come on the station with a bullock cart. What had Mama got? Mama had got a bullock cart. Rima ने पळत पळत मामाला गाठले. Rima went running. पळत is running. Rima went running and hugged her mama. आम्ही बैलगाडीत बसलो. We sat on the bullock cart. बैलगाडी बुलक कार्ट. बैलगाडीच्या चाकांचा खडखड आवाज तालात येत होता. सो इवन द बैलगाडीचे चाका मीन्स व्हील्स. इवन द व्हील्स ऑफ द बुलक कार्ट वे मेकिंग साऊंड ऑफ खड खड. बट इट वॉज कमिंग इन ट्यून. तालात येत होता. इट वॉज नॉट अनप्लेझंट टू हिअर. आम्ही घराच्या रस्त्याला लागलो. वी स्टार्टेड मुव्हिंग टुवर्ड्स होम. तोवर सायंकाळाची वेळ झाली होती. बाय देन इट वॉज इव्हनिंग टाईम. सायंकाळ इज इव्हनिंग. वेळ इज टाईम. बाय देन इट वॉज इव्हनिंग टाईम. पानाची सळसळ, नदीच्या पाण्याची खळखळ ऐकू येऊ लागली. वी स्टार्टेड हिअरिंग साऊंड ऑफ लीव्स. व्हॉट साऊंड लीव्स वे मेकिंग? सळसळ. अँड द रिव्हर वॉटर. नदीच्या पाण्याची रिव्हर वॉटर. फ्लोईंग रिव्हर वॉटर वॉज मेकिंग साऊंड ऑफ खळखळ. झाडातील पक्ष्यांची किलबिल. नाव द बर्ड्स, birds, they had returned back to their nest and the noise which they were making, kill-bill, they could hear them. शेतात चरणाऱ्या गाईचे हंबरणे. Now the हंबरणे is the noise which cow makes. So where were the cows? They were grazing at the field. So the noise of हंबरणे, the noise which cows make, that they could hear. बकऱ्यांचे बाय बाय. So even the goats were doing bye-bye. So all these sounds they could hear. हे सारे वातावरणात मिसळून गेले होते. This had got all mixed together in the atmosphere. वातावरणात means they were traveling and they could hear all these kind of sound. शेतातली पिके वाऱ्यावर मंद मंद डुळत होती. The crops, पिके is crops. Where were the crops? In the field. शेतातील पिके, the crops in the field were moving very very slowly. मंद मंद, slowly they were moving because of the wind. वाऱ्या is wind. मन आनंदाने थुई थुई नाचत होत. My mind was dancing with joy. Thui thui नाचत होता means very happy. My mind was very happy looking at all this thing which was going around. Some sounds, some very nice sounds were coming. Animals were around. So his mind was very happy. घरी येताच तोंडभर हसून मामीने आमचे स्वागत केले. As soon as we reached home, Mami, who's Mami? Wife of Mama. Okay? ने आमचे स्वागत केले तोंडभर हसून. मीन शी वॉज व्हेरी लाफिंग हार्टेडली. शी वेलकम्ड अस. स्वागत केले मीन शी वेलकम्ड अस. मामाची मुले राजू आणि चिमी आमचीच वाट पाहत होती. सो मामाज चिल्ड्रन, मुले इज चिल्ड्रन, मामाज चिल्ड्रन, राजू अँड चिमी आमचीच. दे वे वाट मीन्स दे वे वेटिंग फॉर अस ओनली. पाहत होते मीन्स दे वे वेटिंग फॉर अस ओनली. आम्ही एकमेकांना कडकडून भेटलो. वी मेट इच अदर व्हेरी लव्हिंगली. आजी हळूहळू चालत काठी टेकवत आमच्याजवळ आली. आजी इज ग्रँडमदर. सो ग्रँडमदर slowly walking with the help of a stick. काठी is a stick. काठी टेकवत balancing with the stick आमच्याजवळ आली. She came towards us. आमच्याजवळ towards us. आम्ही आजीला बिलगलो. We went and hugged our grandmother. बिलगलो means went and hugged our grandmother. तिने आम्हाला जवळ घेतले. जवळ घेतले means she got us close. She also hugged them back. आमच्या डोळ्यावरून तोंडावरून हात फिरवला. Lovingly what she did? She touched their forehead, their faces. तिच्या हाताचा थरथरणारा स्पर्श खूप प्रेमळ आणि बोलका होता. Now the grandmother was old, so maybe when she was touching them, her hands were shivering. But then that touch was very loving and expressive. Bolka hota means was very expressive. See, students, there's different way of showing love. Some people hug you, some people shake hand with you, some people, like the grandparents, they just take you close and then lovingly, they touch your face or they pull your cheek. So the way of expressing love is different. So here they said, though her hands were shaking, Thartharnara means though her hands were shaking, but her touch was very, very genuine, was very loving and expressive. आम्हाला खूप गहिवरून आले. We got very emotional. दुसऱ्या दिवसापासून नुसती धमाल. दुसरा दिवस means next day onwards. पासून means onwards. Only fun. Dhamal is fun, मजा. Next day onwards it was only fun. विहिरीवर पोहायला जाणे, शेतात बागडणे, आंब्याच्या झाडावर चढून केऱ्या, पाडाच्या आंबा तोडून खाणे, बैलगाडीतून मामाबरोबर फेरफटका मारणे. आज शेतावर तर उद्या आमराईत मामाबरोबर फिरायला जाणे. रोज मज्जाच मज्जा. So now these are the activities which they started doing. What did they do? विहिरीवर पोहायला जाणे. They would go to विहीर. विहीर is well. For what? For swimming. शेतात बागडणे. Move around in the fields. आंब्याच्या झाडावर चढून केऱ्या. केऱ्या is unripe mangoes. They would climb the mango trees. झाडावर means mango trees for the unripe mangoes. पाडाचा आंबा तोडून खाणे. पाडाचा आंबा means semi-ripe mangoes or half-ripe mangoes. They would eat those mangoes. बैलगाडीतून मामाबरोबर फेरफटका मारणे. Taking rounds on the bullock cart with मामा. आज शेतावर तर उद्या आमराईत मामाबरोबर फिरायला जाणे. They would go for a walk one day on the field and the next day they would go to the mango gardens for walk. रोज मज्जाच मज्जा. Every day was only fun. आमची सुट्टी कधी संपली ते आम्हाला समजलेच नाही. आम्ही परत गावी आलो. So when you have good time, when you're having good time, you don't come to know where the time flies. So for them also it's same thing happened. आमची सुट्टी कधी संपली. When our holidays got over, that ते आम्हाला, that we didn't understand only. समजलेच नाही. We didn't understand when our holidays came to an end. आम्ही परत गावी आलो. We came back to our place. गावी आलो मी, we came back to our village or our place. We came back to our place. I hope you've understood the lesson well, student. Thank you.